we gonna do?
Don't worry, I've called the insurance company and they're sending over their preferred vendor right now.
Don't worry, Peyton. I'll have to turn the jet.
This is ridiculous. I'm calling Reset. My hero.
It's all in a hard day's work, man.
Just remember, you don't have to use your insurance company's preferred vendor.
That's right, AT. Always call Reset Restoration with your disaster cleanup needs.
We're dedicated to getting your house back to the way it was before, or better, just like me.
If you've had fire damage, water damage, need mold remediation, or need any other type of disaster restoration services, call Reset Restoration today. All right, all right, all right.